Hello, travelers and city enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most livable cities in the world. Whether you're seeking cultural richness, economic opportunities, or a vibrant lifestyle, these cities have it all. Let's dive into the countdown. Number 10, Melbourne, Australia. Kicking off our list is Melbourne, known for its diverse arts scene, exceptional coffee culture, and beautiful parks. It consistently ranks high for quality of life, making it a favorite among locals and expats alike. Number 9, Zurich, Switzerland. Next up, we have Zurich, a city that seamlessly combines urban sophistication with breathtaking natural surroundings. Its efficient public transport, high safety standards, and thriving economy contribute to its spot on our list. Number 8, Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver, with its stunning landscapes and diverse population, claims the 8th spot. This Canadian gem offers a perfect blend of outdoor activities, a strong economy, and a commitment to sustainability. Number 7, Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo, a city where tradition meets modernity, takes the 7th position. Boasting futuristic technology, historic temples, and unparalleled cuisine, it's a city that never fails to captivate residents and visitors alike. Number 6, Helsinki, Finland. Helsinki, the capital of Finland, secures the 6th spot on our list. This Nordic beauty stands out for its excellent education system, social equality, and innovative design. A true haven for quality living. Number 5, Vienna, Austria. At number 5, we have Vienna, a city known for its classical music, imperial architecture, and a high standard of living. Its cultural richness and well-maintained public spaces make it a true European gem. Number 4, Sydney, Australia. Sydney, Australia's iconic harbour city, claims the 4th spot. With its stunning beaches, diverse neighbourhoods, and thriving arts scene, Sydney offers a laid-back yet vibrant lifestyle that many dream of. Number 3, Copenhagen, Denmark. Copenhagen, often praised for its bike-friendly environment, sustainability initiatives, and progressive urban planning, takes the 3rd position. This city exemplifies the perfect balance between work and play. Number 2, Munich, Germany. Munich, a city that effortlessly blends rich history with a modern lifestyle, secures the 2nd spot. Renowned for its beer gardens, cultural events, and a strong economy, it's a top choice for those seeking a high quality of life. Number 1, Singapore. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the Lion City, Singapore. This bustling metropolis combines efficiency, safety, a diverse culinary scene, and a strong economy, making it the epitome of a truly livable city. There you have it, our top 10 most livable cities in the world. Each city on this list has its unique charm and offerings, catering to a variety of preferences. Which city would you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel and lifestyle content. Until next time, happy exploring.